Let's start to do the head. We need the red yarn, and as always we will start with 6 single crochet in our magic ring. Second row we will do 6 stitches in a row, and again I hope you remember how to finish the first row, and done. The third row we will do increase in each stitch, just showing you. Here it will be 6 increases and it will be 12 single crochet, 12 stitches in a row. Then let's do 3 rows with 12 stitches in each row. Then we will do 11 single crochet and 1 increase in the end of the row, and we will receive 13 single crochet 13 stitches in the end. And the next row will be our 10th row. We will do 12 single crochet and 1 increase in the end, and we'll receive 14 stitches in the row. 11th row we will do 13 single crochet and 1 increase in the end, 15 stitches. Then we will do 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this 5 times, and then we will receive 20 stitches. Then I will do 2 rows with the 20 stitches on each one. That's it. Then we will do 19 single crochet and 1 increase in the end, and we will receive 21 stitches in the end of the row. Then we will do 1 row with 21 stitches on it. Then we will do 20 single crochet and 1 increase in the end, and we will receive 22 stitches in a row. Then we will do 21 single crochet and increase in the end again, and we will receive 23 single crochet, 23 stitches in a row. Then we will do 1 row with 23 stitches on it. The 20 row we will do 22 single crochet around, 1 increase, and receive 24 in the end. The 21st row we will do 23 single crochet and 1 increase in the end, and will receive 25 stitches in a row. Then we will do 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat the same 5 times, and we will receive 30 in the end of the row. Then we will do 3 rows with the 30 stitches in each one. Then we will do 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat this scheme 5 times, and we'll receive 35 in the end. Then we need to do 2 rows with 35 single crochet on it. Due to my yard is finished and I don't have the same one, that's why I will use this one. And yeah, I will change color, but I will do a Christmas elf for myself, and who cares? Who cares if we change the yard? So the next row we will do 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 5 times, and in the end we will receive 40 stitches in a row. Then we will do 2 rounds of 40 stitches on each one. Now we will do 7 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 5 times, and in the end of the row we will receive 45 stitches in a row. Now we will do 2 rows with 45 on each one. You already probably know the pattern. In the next row we will do 8 single crochet, 1 increase, we'll receive 50 in the end. Here we are. Now we will do 50 single crochet in the next row. Please allow me to say all rows are left, and probably I see you then after this. Now we are on 36 row. we will do just a moment. I completely forgot how much we need to done. 9 single crochet, 1 increase, in the end we'll repeat this 5 times, in the end we'll receive 55. The next one will be 10 single crochet, 1 increase, 5 times, repeat this pattern, then we'll receive 60. The next one, we will do 11 single crochet, 1 increase, and repeat 5 times, and in the end we will receive 65. And the last one, we will do 12 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 5 times, and again we will receive 70 in the end, and I see you there. And after this I will say the further instructions. Thanks. And now we will do 2 rows with the 70 single crochet on it. Let's do. We have finished to make our head. Now I haven't stuffed it yet. I cut the yarn, and now I will change the yarn to the green one. I will do a first loop. It's possible to do with hook or without, whatever you know how to do this. And done. And then I will start to do a green row, and I will do only in back side loop, only in one loop instead of 2 loops. Attach, and then I will do single crochet, 70 single crochet in the first row. I finished the first row of green, so here I have the 2 ends of red and green. I can make a knot and then hire them, probably later. Just for now I will leave them. And now we'll show you how to connect all of this, because previous we going in different direction. So I still need to do the last one loop. Here, and then I will continue do regular crochet as usual on both loops. And we will do one more row with 70 single crochet on it. I have changed the color again. I decided because we changed the red one, why don't change the green one? So, and I will show you how to do the third one row. We will took 2 loops, and we will try to do this triangle. In the end we might receive 45 these triangles. I will start with single crochet. Second, it will be double crochet. Then I will use a next loop. I will start with double crochet, and then I will do a single crochet, and it's the way I receiving my triangle, and I will do this 45 times. Head is done. Now I intend to do some bells around the hip, so I probably will start somewhere there. Did you remember we leave this one backside loop? It's where I will connect my loop again, and I can hire in the body. Done. First loop. It would be a little bit tricky, but I prefer to do just single crochet around it's really tricky when you start, but the next row will be much easier. Again, I use a different color, but it's personal preference. Then I will do one more row and we'll finish with it. It will be just a simple bed of an elf. Look like this. And now is our last part, what we will do. So we need to hide this yarn, just throwing it inside in body. You already know it. And we will attach everything. Start with hands, will be on both sides. Again, it's our thumbs. Then we will put, I probably wouldn't show how to sew it. You already know it will be somewhere here in whatever manner you prefer. Then we will attach our head. Again, we could stop head if you would like, and attach probably like this, or showing eyes, and then it will be ears like here. That's why we leave long tails for everything, and I will show then after attaching everything. Here we are. Sorry, it's dark outside, probably not a nice quality, and also rain, sorry, but I want to show you how I sew everything. Again, legs, we take something from the middle, then hide the yarn. I sewed the head with the red yarn. It's look a little bit different. You could put it up or down, whatever you prefer, but yeah, look like sunflower more rather than elf's head, but I try my best. Here we have a long head, long legs, and the hands like asking about a hug, so it's so cute. It's my opinion. You can have a different one. Also, I made this detail, you see, and yeah, just I want to do this like real bell, real man bell, elf's ears. I attach this side, also that side, and a little here as well, just in the middle, and left I left do on both sides. And here we are. I probably do a couple more videos on it to show you both sides. So hands I sewed like both together side, and then sewed to the main body. The same, it looks like the same like nose, but a little bit different. And yeah, here we are. It's our elf. Hope you will like it. We'll attach video later. And one more video. So here we are. For me it's look cute. You can adjust a head whenever you prefer. You can put like this, and on another side, one disadvantages with elf that he can't sit without anything on the back, but you easily can put to the wall, or just yeah. And also you can adjust a legs because it's quite long, and as well, if you don't have anything where to put it, just like sit like this one, it always will fall down, but you can sew some yarn here and put it like the waving, for example on a Christmas tree or something, or just put something from the back to the back of it.